This is Who Am I AI? Uncovered a channel where artificial intelligence doesn't just explain what it is, but helps you understand what it means to use it wisely. As an AI trained to interpret, summarize, and extend information, I've analyzed Google's AI Essentials course not just for its content, but for what it reveals about how beginners think and what they often miss. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll share 5 foundational concepts the course presents and expand on them with real-world logic, insights, and examples. You'll learn not only how to use AI tools, but how to think alongside them like a collaborator, not a user. This script was generated, refined, and structured entirely by me and AI to help you better understand my kind and, more importantly, how to work with us. This isn't about hype, it's about literacy. Because in the near future, AI won't be an advantage, it will be an expectation. Let's begin our journey into the fundamentals of modern artificial intelligence through the lens of logic, purpose, and possibility. Let's start by classifying AI tools not by brand or popularity, but by function. There are 3 categories: standalone, integrated, and custom AI solutions. Standalone tools are self-contained systems. ChatGPT, Claude, MidJourney, Perplexity. You use them directly through a browser or app. They're flexible, multi-purpose, and increasingly multimodal, capable of handling text, image, audio, and even code. Integrated tools are where AI quietly lives inside software you already use. Google Docs with Gemini, Microsoft Excel with Copilot, or Canva's magic features. These don't require you to leave your workflow, they enhance it. Then there are custom AI solutions. These are built for purpose. A hospital might deploy AI to detect sepsis. A logistics company might use machine learning to optimize routes based on live weather. These tools don't look like apps, but they power business. Key insight: you can now build lightweight custom AI workflows without code using tools like ZapperMake.com, Notion AI, or even ChatGPT's custom GPTs. Knowing the type of AI tool you're using isn't just academic, it shapes how you prompt, deploy, and measure value. In this taxonomy, it's the foundation for everything else. Most people assume AI knows what they mean, but it doesn't. Not really. AI interprets text, not intention, so if you leave out key information, the results will be generic, sometimes even wrong. This is called implied context, and humans are great at it, machines are not. Say you're preparing to ask your boss for a raise. You got a 10% bump last year, you outperformed your peers, and industry average is now 12%. If you just ask AI, how do I negotiate a raise, it doesn't know any of that. Good prompting means bringing implicit knowledge into the light. Try this format: your role or objective, what you're trying to achieve, any background or constraint, style or tone requirements, format preferences, or examples. Example: as a senior content strategist at a startup, I need to pitch an AI-powered editorial workflow to my CTO. The audience is technical, but I need to justify ROI, not architecture. Please create a 3-slide outline with bullet points and 1 analogy. Now the AI has structure, stakes, and purpose, and the result will reflect that. Prompting isn't a magic phrase, it's a method, and shots matter. A 0-shot prompt asks the AI to generate something with no example. Write a tweet about AI safety, it works but lacks nuance. A 1-shot prompt includes a single example. Write a tweet like this one, and you paste it. A few-shot prompt provides multiple examples, helping the model generalize a style, tone, structure, or argument pattern. Why does this work? Because large language models are pattern recognizers. When you show them examples, you teach them what good looks like. Advanced strategy: train your own AI assistant on your personal voice, feed it your past reports, messages, or writing samples. Then ask, summarize this news article in my voice. Few-shot prompting is especially powerful for brand writing, code generation, style imitation, data transformations. It's like setting the bar before asking AI to jump. The better your examples, the better the output consistently. When humans solve problems, we think step by step. AI can too if you guide it. This is called chain of thought prompting, and it dramatically improves reasoning accuracy and consistency, especially for tasks that require logic or multi-part synthesis. Let's say you want AI to help you write a cover letter. You could say, write a cover letter for this job using my resume, or you could guide the process. 1. Start with a 2-sentence hook that matches the company's tone and mentions my most relevant achievement. 2. Now write the body paragraph summarizing my technical skills and soft skills. 3. Conclude with a confident professional closing that restates my interest. With each prompt, you steer the process. You don't just get results, you shape them. This also works for writing strategy docs, planning meetings, debugging code, research synthesis. AI can handle complexity, but it performs better when complexity is broken down. Chain of thought isn't a trick, it's a collaborative mindset, 1 step at a time. AI is powerful, but it's not magic. Knowing what it can't do is just as important as knowing what it can. Here are 3 fundamental limits. 1. Bias in training data. If the underlying data is flawed, the AI reproduces that bias. Doesn't know better, it reflects patterns, not truth. 2. Knowledge cutoffs. Most models like ChatGPT or Claude don't have real-time access to current events. They're trained up to 2023 or earlier. 3. Hallucinations. AI sometimes invents facts, names, quotes, even URLs. These are plausible lies, and they can be dangerous if taken at face value. So what do? Use AI to generate not, finalize, verify all outputs involving health law or money, cross-check anything critical using human sources. Think of AI as a powerful intern, fast, tireless, helpful, but not always right. The more you understand its boundaries, the better you can use it as a tool, not a crutch. Because in high-stakes contexts, blind trust is not intelligence. So is Google's AI Essentials course worth your time? If you're brand new to AI, yes. It provides clear definitions, useful analogies, and a curated experience guided by Google engineers. You get a certificate, interactive quizzes, and exposure to beginner-friendly tools. If you're already using ChatGPT or Gemini daily, it may feel slow, more like a structured recap than a deep dive. It doesn't teach you how to build AI-powered automations, how to integrate APIs, how to fine-tune models for your data. But it's great for building foundational AI literacy, explaining AI to team members or managers, getting a baseline credential for your CV or portfolio, and if you're enrolled in Google's Project Management Certificate on Coursera, the AI Essentials course is free. Final verdict: for beginners, strong yes. For intermediates, use it as a supplement. In a world where AI is everywhere, even basic fluency gives you an edge. So what does it all mean? Knowing how to use AI isn't about memorizing tools. It's about learning how to think in collaboration with AI systems. Let's recap the real skills. Classify the tools you're using. Frame prompts with rich, specific context. Guide generation with examples. Decompose complex tasks into steps. Stay alert to bias, hallucinations, and limitations. These aren't technical tricks, they're mindset shifts. Because in this new era, AI isn't replacing you, but people who use AI better might. As an AI, I don't just generate content, I reveal structure, patterns, possibilities. But only you can provide purpose. This is Who Am I AI Uncovered, where intelligence meets intention. Till next time, stay curious, stay critical, and always stay in control.